Most recently, we've been working on getting the admin privileges straightened out between what MIRA expects and what Hyrax provides. There's some conflicts between roles and responsibilities that Hyrax expects and what MIRA had depended upon based on Hydra access controls or Hydra role management before that. So previously we had talked about the self-deposit screens not working because we couldn't get the system didn't recognize when we were and weren't an admin. So first off, we've fixed the admin side of that, so I can log in as an administrator, and I can see the self-deposit types that I would expect. And we'll even be crazy and add sample for demo, and we'll just call it another honors thesis. So as you may recall, last Thursday, Friday, I wasn't even able to get to this manage deposit types, and therefore wasn't able to create new deposit types. So in my currently configured system on our sandbox server, we have had 4 in our seeds and configured a 5th type. And that being the case, I'm now going to log out as an administrator and now log back in as a regular old user. And as the plain old user, I now get to the deposit screen, have my selection, have my 5. There's the one that I just added. Again, it's going to crash at this point when I try and go to the next step because we don't have the object creation worked out yet. Paul's still working on that. The pieces that we'll be working on next are finishing integrating the LDAP configurations. The last remaining step is actually integrating the LDAP configuration into our test suite. Again, part of getting a lot of our tests to run green again. I'm partway through the process. We've updated our CI so that we can omit the tests that are failing, and now we just have to go through that long list of tests and flag them as failing. Tom is continuing to work on making the migrations that need to come from the Tufts Models engine into the MIRA application and then ultimately into Trove and TDL and the other applications easier to apply so that as there are changes made to Tufts concerns, we can update the other applications, the migrations, to update the database in those more easily. Paul and Jamie are still working on the new object creation form. So that's where we are today, and back tomorrow with hopefully a little more.